So eukaryotes. So what is the eukaryotes? Eukaryotes is an organism consisting of a cell or cells, which the genetic material is DNA in the form of chromosomes contained within a distinct nucleus. Eukaryotes include all living organisms other than the eubacteria and archaebacteria. So what is the difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell? So the eukaryotic cells contain membrane-bound organelles such as the nucleus, while prokaryotic cells do not. Differences in cellular structures of prokaryotes and eukaryotes include the presence of mitochondria and chloroplasts, the cell wall, and the structures of chromosomal DNA. So eukaryote definition, structures and facts. Eukaryotes, any cell or organisms that possesses a clearly defined nucleus. The eukaryotic cells has a nuclear membrane that surrounds the nucleus, in which they will define chromosomes. Bodies containing the hereditary materials are located. Eukaryotic cells also contain organelles. Eukaryotes are organisms that consist of one or more cells, each of which has a nucleus, and other will develop intracellular compartments. Eukaryotes include all organisms except bacteria. So the eukaryotes include fungi, animals, and plants, as well as some unicellular organisms. Eukaryotic cells are about 10 times the size of a prokaryote and can be as much as 1,000 times greater in volume. The major and extremely significant difference between prokaryotes and eukaryotes is that eukaryotic cells contain membrane-bound compartments in which specific metabolic activities takes place. Most important among these is the presence of a nucleus, a membrane delineated compartment that houses the eukaryotic cell's DNA. It is this nucleus that gives the eukaryote its name. Eukaryotes means true nucleus. So eukaryotic organisms also have other specialized structures called organelles, which are small structures within cells that perform dedicated functions. Although eukaryotes use the same genetic code and metabolic processes as prokaryotes, their higher level of organizational complexity has permitted the development of truly multicellular organisms. Without eukaryotes, the world would lack mammals, birds, fish, invertebrates, mushrooms, plants, and complex single-celled organisms.